hell?
Out of the car, Chloe. You're gonna be late.
Allez, on va dire merci, on va écouter.
Thanks.
Don't use that sarcastic tone with me, young lady. I can see you rolling your eyes.
Hello? I was actually saying
I
thank-
see everything.
Oui, bien sûr.
I'll warn everything.
Et bah dis donc, elle essaie de faire des efforts, mais derrière, enfin, il la traite vraiment comme un chien, quoi. Moi, c'est le... Non. Tu n'avais pas des doigts, il me passe, hein, et tu lui plains pas de venir ici. Mais... Ah, moi, c'est ça, c'est... Tu veux qu'on te respecte, bah, sois respectueux envers l'autre personne, du coup. Ça s'échange. Voilà, un respect, ça s'échange. Ah, l'Académie Blackwell. Voilà. Une scène. Ok? Ouais, d'accord, le chat.
Hey, Chloe.
Oh, hey, Elliot.
I heard you had a hell of a night. I mean, people are talking about it.
People can eat a dick. Even social media haters can't ruin how awesome last night was.
So, how about the Tempest? Blackwell Theater at its most pretentious.
Yeah, totally.
I know it's gonna be lame, but I was thinking, do you want to go together tomorrow?
Peut-être.
I try to make it a rule not to go to school any more than I have to. But sitting in the back row and making fun of the drama kids might not suck.
Right? That's totally what I was thinking.
Alright. See you in chem.
Yeah, for sure.
Ok, donc il est content et puis il se retrouve en chien. Très bien.
Gotta track down Steph to pick up my DVD. I've still got time before class.
Oh, le vidéaste. C'est pas mal comme ça pour les objectifs. Dans la main. Je suis sur une table de pique-nique avec Mike. Merci, j'arrive. Ok, donc elle est sur une table de pique-nique. Ok.
Hey, Skip.
Et c'est pas
Up in the
Skip.
gang wars lately?
Not today. I did ask Justin Williams' mom to move her Mercedes out of handicap parking.
Badass.
Yeah, you know how I roll.
La mère de Justine?
So, you spending a lot of quality time with Justin's mom?
No. But if you see Justin, tell him I can only ignore that cloud of weed smoke for so long.
Tell him yourself, Skip. Not my problem.
I'm trying to do him a favor. I thought you high risks all stuck together.
High risks?
Oh, shit. Sorry. Forget I called you that.
Huh. High risks. Guess you can learn useful things in school. So, I went to the mill last night. Cut Firewalk live.
You went to the mill? Wait, you saw Firewalk?
It was cool.
Whoa, pretty wicked. I didn't know you were into music like that.
De la bonne musique, je ne suis pas comme ça. De la bonne musique?
What? Like good music?
Preach it, sister. I'm in a band, actually.
No shit. Really?
Incroyable!
We're called Pisshead. It's not a big deal or anything. I mean, I'm trying to get our demo out there, but it's hard.
Pisshead, huh?
Would you maybe want to hear it? Our demo, I mean.
Vas-y! Carrément!
Yeah, okay.
On va être le juge. On va juger. Non, je sais pas pourquoi laisser trop longtemps, mais... Bon, c'est sympa. Ok, ok, ok.
So, what did you think?
Comme j'ai dit, je peux pas laisser longtemps, mais c'est vraiment bien. Moi, je valide.
That was really good, man. If Pisshead came on the radio, I'd turn that shit up.
Oh, right on.
Mais
Awesome.
moi, j'aime bien.
Thanks.
Incroyable. Je valide 100%. Oh, je viens de voir une madame. Madame, madame de la science. C'est la prof de science, elle, je m'en souviens. Madame, mademoiselle Grant. Voilà, madame.
Morning, Miss Grant.
What do you think of this hypothesis? That you'll be in your seat by the time chemistry class begins today.
Ah, on va pas gâcher la surprise.
Science is all about discovery, Miss Grant. Guess you'll have to wait and see.
With all the change that's happening,
Elle a pas
at
apprécié.
Roswell and Reed, I suppose I can appreciate your consistent wit, Chloe.
What kind of change do you mean?
Well, the Prescotts have made an extremely generous donation to the school, which is good. But instead of going to support more science and mathematics, it's all being dedicated to the arts.
You don't think more money should be spent in the arts?
Ça me fait une
It's
fois.
not that exactly. I recently made the case that STEM programs should receive more support, but apparently our new donors disagree with me. Such is life, I suppose.
Miss Grant actually seems sad.
Tu m'étonnes. Les arts contribuent au STEM, on ne sait jamais. Les arts contribuent au
Look at
STEM.
it this way, Miss Grant. More art classes will keep all the smug, self-absorbed types out of your science classroom.
Articulate, as always.
Ok. On va essayer de fouiller un petit peu. Examen de fin d'année, prévention. Examen de fin d'année.
I prefer to wake and bake. But hey, to each their own.
Ok.
But fire's so pretty.
Ok.
What the fuck is that supposed to mean?
Voilà, dites non à la drogue, gagner de paix, ne pas gagner, c'est le moyen de finir derrière. D'accord. Un petit coin reculé. Non fumé. Ah mais du coup tu fumes, ok. Avec l'objectif sur la main.
Students at Blackwell have this herd instinct to glom up into little groups like sheep. And if you just
Ouais.
want to be alone, you get labeled like some dangerous outsider. Just like any other prison. Except now the prison follows you wherever you go, thanks to social media. I can't believe Rachel posted a photo of the two of us together last night. Am I still an outsider if I'm hanging out with Rachel Amber now? And what does it mean that hanging out was so awesome? Does that make me just the same as every other student here? Nah, fuck that.
Ok. Ok, pas fumé, mais il y a plein de clopes. Ok. La rêve. On peut aller sur la scène. On peut s'asseoir sur la caisse. C'est juste s'asseoir et genre elle réfléchit. Et c'est de nouveau
I
ça.
should probably be getting to class, but I just don't care.
Oh. Ah,
Principal Wells. Hey.
j'avais pas vu.
Miss Price, the sign clearly says do not walk on the stage.
Oups.
Such disregard for your fellow students' efforts won't alleviate your record of major infractions.
C'est pas moi, premier juré. Et petite infraction.
How many minor infractions fractions and a major one?
This is no joke, Miss Price.
Who's joking? You've seen my math grades.
Perhaps you will find me less amusing if I mention the various allegations I've been hearing about your drug use. You know Blackwell has a zero-tolerance policy. Do I have to initiate a search of your person in order to establish the veracity of these allegations, Miss Price? That's what I thought. I'll look forward to seeing you in my office after school today. How does that sound?
Oui, ok.
All right, sir. I'll see you after school.
I'll count the minutes.
That guy's a tool.
Et éviter de taper une gueulante envers le proviseur. On va éviter, on va éviter, on va éviter. Quelqu'un d'Assina. Il y a Victoria ici. Non, on peut parler à Victoria. Ah, j'imagine qu'elle est là-bas. Ok. Bon, on va faire dans l'ordre. On va faire Victoria.
Need my DVD from Steph. I bet she's nerding it up with Mikey somewhere.
On peut leur parler. On peut leur parler.
See you in class.
On se voit en cours. Ok. Bah non, finalement, on peut pas lui parler. Alors.
Well, at least not for now.
Ah, le truc de la tempête.
Maybe the
Et comme par
split is
hasard.
back.
Comme par hasard, on parle de tempête. Alors que dans Life is Strange, c'était littéralement...
How could I
littéralement,
possibly
bah,
do
le
this
sujet
place
principal,
without
la tempête au bout d'une semaine.
personal
Une
assistance?
grosse tempête qui devait arriver, on devait empêcher ça. Et on n'a pas réussi, et du coup c'était un peu compliqué. Voilà. Pour savoir vraiment ce qui s'est passé, vraiment je vous invite à aller voir mon let's play. Les droits vont vous poser. Dans la magnifique fontaine.
The future needs excellence. The future's an asshole.
Elle veut même plus entendre parler de la moindre future.
Carrie Price!
Carrie Price.
Chloe.
Voilà.
Oh, right. I'm just teasing. People have been taking me so seriously since I won the Beacon's Young Artist Award for my photography.
You don't say.
Between that and the Vortex Club, it's hard to keep people from putting me up on a pedestal or whatever. But you know all about that. What with Rachel Amber? Am I right?
Claire Price, tiens.
Wait. What about Rachel Amber?
Rachel posted a slamming selfie of you two having the time of your lives. Do tell.
On a tué un mec, te dire quoi? Bah tu veux qu'on te dise quoi?
Tell what, Victoria? It's a photo. Big deal.
But it's on Facebook. I mean, that basically means you and Rachel are like BFFs.
We're really not.
So, what's she into? You know, what's her thing? Is it drugs? I'm not judging or anything. I figure if she's hanging out with you, she must be into some effed up shit. You know?
Seriously, I don't know why you're talking to me about Rachel.
Elle est jalouse.
Everybody loves her.
Voilà.
Lydia's perfect.
So you
Elle est jalouse.
Rachel Amber. That's what's happening right now.
Tu lis dans les pensées.
God, I don't have time for this. I didn't even finish the chemistry assignment, and you're being you. Oh,
Saboter ses devoirs au partenaire. Non, 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 on va pas saboter. Ça mérite pas.
why would Rachel Amber ever hang out with Carrie Price?
It's Chloe.
La bouffonne de service. Alors, on continue. Samantha. Bonjour, qui es-tu?
Hey, Chloe.
Ah,
Hey,
bonjour.
Samantha. What are you reading?
Ah, parce que c'est bien.
Who's afraid of Virginia Woolf?
I read that last year in Mrs. Hoyta's English class.
I didn't think you did homework.
Normally I don't, but the play was actually good.
What did you like about it?
C'est triste.
The story is about how relationships only work if people are willing to lie to each other.
I'm not sure if you're joking. Sorry, I'm a little slow sometimes.
I'm a little bitchy sometimes, so it's cool.
People always say that. But I think you're actually... Sorry, Chloe. No one says anything like that. I don't know what I'm actually talking about.
I bet.
I really didn't mean anything.
Ouais, ok. C'était très bizarre ça.
Hey, price check. Gotten in any good trouble lately?
Salut. On a un truc sur ligne. Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Dude, you need to freshen like a mofo.
Are you saying I smell like weed?
That's exactly what I'm saying.
Word. Well, good looking out, Price. Want a hit?
Like, right here? Thanks.
Ok.
Chloe, what's the latest?
Fête de dingue Rachel Amber. Rachel Amber.
Hey,
Tiens.
out of the blue question, what do you think of Rachel Amber?
She is amazing. If you're into chicks that are hot, smart, and hot. I mean, she helped me out a while back. I was failing algebra hard.
I believe you.
Check. After I bombed my midterm last fall, she tutored me for the rest of the semester. And then I crushed it. C+.
Bah, nice.
Last night, I scoped out this crazy party at the old mill up north. Kind of a DIY thing.
Wow, no shit. I thought that place was like Meth Central. My cousin met this hooker there.
Whatever. It was cool, okay? You wouldn't understand. All right. Guess I'll see you in class.
Ouais. Bon.
Word.
Il est spécial. Il a l'air gentil, hein, mais il a l'air trop spécial aussi. Alors, on va le laisser tranquille. Je sais que dans les Stranger, il est assez gentil.
New
Even.
DVD from Steph. I bet she's nerding it up with Mikey. Amazing photographer, but such a bleeding heart. What soapbox is he on
Chloe,
today?
I'd like to talk to you about wildfire awareness and prevention.
Good morning to you too, Evan.
According to the Department of Forestry, over 90% of this season's fires were caused by humans. That's a record high and completely preventable.
Pourquoi tu fais ça?
This is for college, right? I don't believe you actually care about this.
My interest in fire prevention is completely sincere. Besides, I intend to get into college on the strength of my photography alone. Do you think Rachel Amber would be willing to pose for my portfolio? She's so artistic. I bet she would be a dream model.
Ah, c'est avant qu'il fasse son portfolio, du coup, apparemment très... Dans les Stranger, il avait un portfolio qu'on a pu regarder avec Max. Et je me souviens que beaucoup de personnes le disaient, on va dire, le portfolio, genre vraiment d'un génie, quoi. C'est vraiment un génie de la photographie dans les Stranger. Et il avait posé, du coup, des photos avec Rachel. Et apparemment, il ne les a pas encore fait.
Who says we should prevent fire? Fire is awesome.
While I realize you're being purposefully obstructive, you raise a good point. Many parts of our local ecosystem benefit from fire. Knob cone pine cones, for example, which require temperatures above 350 degrees to open.
Say knob cone again.
No.
I gotta run.
Wait, one last thing. Will you sign my petition to have a fire safety assembly at school?
Enfin, une prévention, bon, ouais.
Sure. I love assemblies. Some of the best naps of my life.
Wow, thanks. I did not see that coming. You being, you know, interested in complicated issues, helping out with the public.
Do you want me to change my mind?
No.
How seriously am I taking this right now?
J'ai dit monsieur Herbe. Non, non, on va rester sur Chloé
There
Price.
you go. Just don't expect this to become a habit. Blackwell Academy, home of tomorrow's leaders.
Y'a qui a signé? Poiser Big Mac Mega Ball.
What? Caring about important issues?
Caring in general.
Est-ce qu'on peut aller voir les dortoirs?
No, Chloe. Class is
Ah.
okay.
Et bah je pense qu'il reste que madame. Je pense qu'il reste que elle, du coup avec du coup Mike. On va aller les voir.
If I had known the Celestial Avenger was bloodied, I would have totally given him my potion.
It was a skill challenge. Potion wouldn't have worked.
Skill challenge?
It's part of the tabletop game we play.
You wouldn't understand.
Alors je connais.
I used to play with my friend Max. It's been a long time though.
Cool.
Got my DVD?
One Blade Runner, director's cut coming right up.
Sweet. $5, right?
Keep it. I'm just glad someone here appreciates the classics. You even asked for the director's cut, which took out the shitty voiceover and replaced it with a sweet dream sequence.
Dream life over real life. That's my motto.
Right on.
Hey,
J'ai bien aimé
you
cette
know
phrase.
Rachel's a gamer?
Rachel Amber? You're asking me?
Didn't you two go out last night, or was it just like a friend thing?
On n'est pas amis, ça te regarde. Non, elle est gentille, on dirait qu'on est simplement
I
pas.
don't know what you heard, but Rachel and I barely know each other.
Oh, sweet.
Steph has a crush.
Chloe, you should join our game.
Yeah, I don't have 50 hours right now. Thanks though.
We're at the end of the campaign, so it'll only take like 20 minutes. What else have you got to do before class?
Une trop.
Not really in the mood. Maybe later.
You know where to find us.
Ok.
DVD, check. Next stop, chemistry class.
Ouais.
Joy.
Bref, on va essayer de faire les choses bien. Voilà, on va aller en cours. Là, la prof de sciences, elle sera heureuse. Voilà. Il y avait ici, fiche d'information. Oh, c'est encore sur les incendies. Il y a beaucoup de choses sur les incendies.
Actually pretty good.
Mais pourquoi je sens venir le coup foireux des incendies. Je sens venir le coup foireux des incendies.
What the hell?
What have you got here? Twitch? Don't call me that!
True North. A jock so dumb he makes jocks look bad. Guess Nathan Prescott made the shit list.
Oh, wow. This is some really weird crap, Prescott.
J'avais même pas reconnu Nathan.
Give it back! I hate that you're on the team now. You're such a loser.
Ah, vous êtes tous les deux des losers. Allez faire ça ailleurs. Vous êtes tous les deux des losers.
Guys, no need to fight. You can both be losers.
The mute speaks? Whoa! You earn a spot on the squad, Twitch. You don't have your dad try to buy off the coach.
At least my family
Ah.
pays tuition. How much financial aid does your deadbeat dad need again?
Wow. Dick move, Nathan.
My dad lost his job at the shipyard when your dad closed it down. And you want to talk shit to me?
Leave Nathan alone.
You know something, Prescott? I'm gonna do you a favor. You can't be a part of the team and be into this stupid crap at the same time.
You're a piece of shit. I am going
Stop
to
it.
kill you.
You guys, stop. Chloe, do something. Don't just stand there watching.
Excusez-moi, je dégonflais comme un ballon. Euh... euh... Intervenir ou pas intervenir? En soi, faudrait intervenir pour ne serait-ce que les empêcher de faire n'importe quoi. Mais ne pas intervenir, ça peut vite tourner à la catastrophe aussi. En fait, les deux peuvent très vite tourner à la catastrophe. J'avoue que même moi, là, je sais pas quoi faire. De ne pas intervenir, ça serait la facilité. Alors qu'intervenir, on pourrait peut-être arranger les choses ou les empirer. Ça peut faire les deux. Là, il y a la fille à côté de nous qui nous a demandé d'intervenir. Et elle a l'air toute gentille. On verra notre cas à la scolarité, c'est déjà... On sait très bien qu'on va se faire... que Chloé va se faire virer. C'est sûr. C'est sûr, c'est sûr. La question c'est là, qu'est-ce qu'on fait? Qu'est-ce qu'on peut faire? Qu'est-ce qu'on peut faire? Est-ce que le chat veut me conseiller? Moi, j'irai d'intervenir. Voilà. Je vous laisse quelques secondes pour y réfléchir. Ne pas intervenir. Ouais. Les personnes qui sont OK pour ne pas intervenir. Je serais plus pour intervenir hein, quand même. Je comprends ne pas intervenir, mais j'ai pas spécialement envie que ça... je sais pas, parce que pas intervenir aussi, ça nous éviterait des problèmes, alors qu'intervenir, ça peut nous causer des problèmes. Alors, en fait, dans les deux cas, ça peut nous causer des problèmes, parce que du coup, la meuf à côté de nous qui s'est demandé d'intervenir ne sera pas... elle sera pas contente. Hein, très clairement, on ne sera pas intervenu. Ah... Je sais pas. Vous serez plus quoi? Alors, est-ce qu'Avera ne serait ne pas intervenir? Ah, je sais pas. J'ai quand même envie d'intervenir. Si le chat me dit de ne pas intervenir. Je vais aller à l'encontre du chat pour le coup. Un peu d'action à intervenir. Ah! Et ben, changement d'avis, apparemment. Oui, c'est vrai, ça ferait de l'action. Mais en fait, j'ai pas envie parce que la meuf à côté, elle a l'air toute gentille. Et Nathan n'a pas l'air si méchant pour le moment. Il a l'air, enfin, c'est toujours une mauvaise personne, hein, pour pas dire le mot qui commence par un C. Les deux mots d'ailleurs qui commencent par un C. Mais ouais, non. J'ai pas non plus envie. Ouais. Non, on va intervenir, les gens. Je pense que je vais préférer intervenir pour le coup.
The only way to stop a bully is to be aggressive. I've got to put Drew down.
Ok, donc
Back off, idiot. What the hell did you just say to me?
faire attention à ce qu'il dit.
Idiot. You're not used to a word that big, are you? Don't be scared.
You're seriously defending Nathan Prescott?
Pas très équitable.
Look at yourself, then look at him.
Ah,
That's hardly fair, don't you think?
il a marqué un point. Faut faire attention. C'est dingue que ça. Espèce de taré. Tu vas pleurer. Tu sais ce qui est dingue.
What's crazy is that you haven't been held back yet. How
Ah,
is that
faut.
possible?
You want a piece of this?
Tu veux qu'on se tape? Me taper votre histoire d'amour.
Romance with Nathan?
On retape sur les mots. On retape sur les mots. Faut faire attention à ce qu'il dit. Et une dernière. Tu trouves que c'est drôle? Tu penses que je me...
You think I'm joking here?
Je pensais... Emballe ton numéro.
You were going to throw down.
On a
You
réussi.
have already. This clown show is over.
Did you just laugh?
I did. Chloe just owned you.
The fuck up, fresh meat.
You shut the fuck up.
Go Samantha.
Bon, on n'entend rien, mais il parle.
Check your pervy picture book.
Des photos de pervers.
Are you okay?
You think I need help? From you?
De rien.
You're welcome.
Are you alright? Thanks for sticking up for him. People think just because of his family.
Everything okay here?
No problem, Skip.
Non, je pense qu'on a bien fait. Je suis heureuse qu'on ait parlé, moi aussi. Je sais que tu fais de ton mieux. Je t'aime. Ma.
I would sacrifice a goat to Jeremiah Blackwell himself if it meant I'd be leaving here in a month. That pic would actually make a sweet tattoo.
Allez, on va rentrer. Et bonjour Rachel.
Oh, good. You're here.
Parfait, tu es là. Tu me cherchais? Oui? Oui, madame. Drama Club.
Beseech you, chiefly that I might set it in my prayers. What is your name?
Miranda.
Oh, le top.
Good.
Bon, on a des soucis de son, mais au moins on a les textes vraiment, on a les dialogues en dessous, donc c'est pas très grave. Je sais pas pourquoi on a ça.
Hayden, you're killing me. You've had weeks to be off book.
Et d'un seul coup, ça revient.
No, don't apologize to me. Apologize to your senior.
Ok, il se fait engueuler.
Accommodating, and to your other fellow actors, and most of all, to yourself.
Mr. Keaton, sorry to interrupt, but does this look better? I had my mom take it in a bit.
Rachel looks awesome. This is getting as surreal as last night.
Looking good, Rach.
Very cool.
Exquisite Rachel, as always.
Mr. Keaton, I'm still having trouble with... My affections are then most humble. I have no ambition to see a goodlier man. I mean, does she really mean that?
Especially because I just straight out told her I've been banging all the ladies.
Yeah, that is hard. We've talked about that line forever. We need a fresh perspective.
Ah, c'est moi?
The question is,
Est-ce que le sentiment de passion immédiat de Miranda?
passion for Ferdinand just inexperience in dramatic circumstances, or has she actually just met the love of her life? What do you think?
Miranda est une idiote.
Miranda's an idiot because falling in love is stupid. What is she, 12?
Actually, she's about 15, so your point, whoever you are, about being an idiot or being naive, is well taken.
Thanks, Mr. Keaton.
Later.
See you later, guys.
Oh no. I have first period improv with a class full of freshmen now.
Oh, sans le prof sincère, oh non, pas la classe de troisième. Oh, de la pauvre.
I'll just be a minute.
Okay, so why am I here again?
Oh, could you grab my belt
so
for me?
confused.
I think it's in my bag over there.
Yeah, sure.
Elle a Bucky. Erreur 415, ça va.
Get the belt. Don't say any stupid shit and don't, like, fall down. Should be doable, right?
Non, peine.
RA will suck as Prospera. If VC had any talent, maybe she would have gotten the part.
Talent? Is that what got Mr. K to cast you? Slut?
Guess they don't call it Drama Lab for nothing.
Oh, pour ajouter un commentaire. On va commenter.
What to say, what to say.
Alors, aigri? Non, putain, ça serait trop long. Alors, aigri? Comme ça, la personne le réagit. En fait, je trouve ça encore pire, genre, quand tu réponds, genre, bah alors, t'es vrai? Alors, on s'énerve pour rien? Que plutôt juste insulter. Je trouve ça encore, plus insultant. Du coup, c'est plus fun. On va chercher. On profite aux à côté.
Rachel looks so happy here.
Elles sont, ça plaît pas.
There's Rachel's belt.
La ceinture de Rachel. On va quand même continuer à fouiller.
Hey now. Sharing is caring.
Crayon réservé à la régisseuse uniquement.
I have
Oh,
feelings
plusieurs idées.
about this. Most of
Ok.
them are not take themselves so seriously.
Oups. Rachel Amber et Prospera, récemment arrivée avec America, Rachel a ému son public aux larmes lors de son élection grâce à l'introduction de Blanche tirée de l'œuvre d'Elsa Will, un tramway nommé Désir. Rachel s'intéresse aussi à l'athlétisme, au débat, au collectif de fond, à l'histoire locale et à la nature. Elle espère un jour monter sur les planches de Broadway et jouer pour les caméras d'Hollywood. Prescott et Caliban, rejetée de la famille la plus ancienne et la plus influente d'Acabay, Nathan espère que cette production de La Tempête permettra de continuer la tradition Prescott à laquelle Blackwell incarné Caliban a été un véritable défi pour cette élève de première qui aime également le sport, la photographie et passe un temps avec ses nombreux amis. Et on a Dana. Il y a Dana. Élève de la seconde, Dana a joué dans 2 autres productions depuis sa première année à l'Académie Blackwell. Dana aime le football américain, aller les Bigfoot, les réseaux sociaux et les balles de l'école. Elle espère donner un membre du Vortex une fois en terminale. Erin Jones et Fernando, ce spectacle marque les premiers pas de Wayden Jones au sein du club de théâtre de l'Académie Blackwell. Il a été auditionné suite à un pari perdu, mais il s'est découvert une passion pour le théâtre. Élève de seconde, il aime également la sport, la botanique et les longues promenades en forêt. Ok, donc Julia Watson et Harry, Julia s'intéresse principalement aux journalistes. Elle est sociale, mais elle est très impatiente de faire ses défauts théâtreux dans la peau d'Ariel. L'esprit puissant mais capricieux, enchanté par Prospera et forcé à lui obéir, mais en cesse de Trevor Clayton. Vétéran de Broadway, Travis Wilbury Clayton est entré au service de la prestigieuse Académie Blackwell en tant que professeur d'art dramatique. Mentor et ami, il espère que son humble réinterprétation de ce chef-d'œuvre shakespearien poussera les leaders de demain à chercher la grandeur et à ne jamais oublier sa devise A Gratia Artist. Tempête, Richard, équipe technique, Adam Gérard, ok. Donc pas mal de monde, c'est bien. Bruitage, Brooke Scott, bien. Couverture du programme, et ben, nous tenons à remercier Monsieur Wells, Rosenberg, Caroline Prescott, Ringo Houston, Bernadette Rida, Samuel Taylor et tous spécialement la Fondation Prescott. Ok. On est sur du très. C'est très joli comme ça avec les rayons lumineux. Ils ont vraiment fait un travail incroyable pour les remasters. Je suis allée regarder un petit peu comment c'était avant. Donc c'était un peu comme dans Life is Strange. En fait, dans Life is Strange, pareil. Life is Strange 1, il était déjà très très de base, mais le remaster était absolument incroyable. Les couleurs qui ont été retravaillées, j'ai vraiment l'impression que ça a été retravaillé ici. Moi aussi, je n'ai jamais joué, j'ai juste regardé 1 ou 2 passages. Pas très important, c'est genre le passage du début et il y a un petit passage genre au milieu. Pour voir un petit peu la différence de couleur et ça reste incroyable. Oh, on peut taguer. Auréole pour achat, nous campe pour Nathan. Non, on vient de défendre Nathan, on va faire les auréoles pour achat. Voilà, pour le coup, pas d'hésitation, une petite auréole pour achat.
Save my life. Get some ink.
Ok.
Oh, Sometimes you just gotta turn up the heat.
Où sont passés les crayons? Ouais, Don, je sais que c'est toi. Un porte-costume. Il doit y avoir une centaine de costumes là-dedans.
Am I the only student who's not in this show? I'm gonna guess it's from Logan.
Donna, tu es si belle, tu veux qu'on sorte un jour, ça me ferait plaisir de la part de Barré Logan. Il a barré 2 fois son... Sérieux. Devine qui c'est.
Rachel? Is this
Ah.
your belt?
Yes. Thank you.
Oh, on va lui envoyer.
Here you go. Ow! I didn't say attack me with it.
Shit. Sorry.
Chloe Price.
Rachel Amber?
Last night was amazing.
Ah ouais, qui était pas mal. Alors, on va pas parler de l'agression.
I'd never seen Firewalk live. Pretty fierce show.
We'll have to do it again. To tell the truth, I went to bed last night wishing it never had to end. But then I thought, why? Why does it have to end?
C'est profond.
Is that a rhetorical question?
How would you like to join me on a little field trip?
Bon, aller pour la rêche à Lumber, c'est chiant.
Class. You mean it?
Is that weird?
No, it's awesome.
Let's get the hell out of here.
Bon bah, finalement on sèche. Oh bah désolée madame, madame de la prof de sciences, désolée.
You sure you don't want to just grab the bus, or...
Nope. If we're gonna go rogue, we're doing it right.
On va le faire comme il faut. Ouais.
Well?
What the hell am I getting into here? Where does this thing go?
North? Maybe we'll end up in Seattle. Pull up a chair, Price. The view's amazing.
Ok. Salut, pourquoi t'es pas en chimie? Tout va bien? Ouais. Qu'est-ce qui s'est passé à Vaidro? Pareil que t'étais au top. Yo, on en parle plus tard. Ok.
Rachel wants me to pull up a chair. Maybe one of these crates.
J'imagine qu'on peut du coup déplacer la caisse. Bon, allez voir, on va un petit peu fouiller. Donc on peut se déplacer.
I wonder what the symbols mean.
Étiquette de livraison.
Nathan's dad is a Terminator? That totally checks out.
Ah, avis de cesser d'activité, fondation presque. Ok. Une cargaison.
I feel pretty confident there's going to be a dead body in here.
Ouais, non, on va éviter. Ouais, non. Hein. Est-ce qu'on peut lui parler avant de déplacer la caisse? On peut juste regarder.
Another typical day, skipping school with Rachel Amber.
Ah, c'est joli. Oh, on va la déplacer.
Thing's heavier than it looks. Guess I should sit down.
Bah, s'asseoir.
All right, Chloe. You're on a freaking train with Rachel freaking Amber. Play it cool.
T'as le méga?
Is this nervousness? Is that what this feeling is? Wish Max were here so I could ask. Should I make small talk? Is that what people do?
L'associable. Ne rien dire, ben j'en ai.
So, what is wrong with you? What? You're acting nervous. So, it's kind of weird that we're hanging out.
You mean because I don't hang out with anyone and I don't have any friends?
You have friends.
Well, I used to. Friend. Singular. Her name was Max, but she left for greener, more northern pastures.
That sucks.
Remercier, ne rien dire, Monsieur Keaton. On va la remercier.
Hey, so I want to say thanks.
For pulling you out of school?
Oh, dummy. Thanks for last night.
Ah.
If you hadn't shown up.
Assholes abound in Arcadia Bay.
I owe you. That's for sure.
Is that why you came along?
Are you suggesting I should need a reason to ditch school?
I bet you're wondering what we're doing.
The thought occurred, yeah.
Well, I wanted some company.
That's it?
That's it.
Essaye encore?
Try again. I'm going to need more to go on than that.
Joyrides with me aren't fun?
Joyrides to where again?
Life needs a little mystery, Chloe. Let's do something fun.
Flirter? Oh. Très vrai. Allez.
V-card's been punched, Rachel. I'm sorry.
Wow.
Too far.
Well, I don't know.
Okay, something fun. I'm all ears.
2 truths and a lie.
Info intox.
I think we should play 2 truths and a lie. It's a game where each person offers up 3 facts about themselves, 2 of which are the truth, and 1 of which is
a lie.
Right. And then the other person has to guess which is which.
Sounds fun.
Ça a l'air sympa.
You're on.
I'll start. First, I'm ambidextrous. Second, I was born in New York, the land of fashion and Broadway, to which I will one day return when my heinous exile here in Arcadia Bay comes to an end.
New York, huh? I've never been.
Not a world traveler?
Not yet, at least.
If you could travel anywhere, where would you go? Russia, Greece, Kathmandu?
Japon. Japon.
Kathmandu.
One day, I'm going to climb Everest.
And I thought moving away from Arcadia Bay was ambitious. What's your third thing?
My third thing?
2 truths and a lie. You say 3 things.
Right. I'm a Leo. Meow.
Lyon, ça m'étonne pas.
Okay, so ambidextrous, born in New York, and a Leo. Gotcha.
So, which is the lie?
Je pense que c'est New York.
You seem more like a Cali girl to me.
Damn, Price, not bad. Long Beach, in fact. West Coast is the best coast.
I've only ever lived in Oregon, so nothing to compare it to, I guess.
Then we'll have to change that one day, won't we?
Bah ouais.
Okay, your turn, Price.
First fact. Right. Something about myself. Should I start things off with a lie or with the truth? Or should I cheat? Let's see how good she really is at this game.
Alors, on va dire d'abord une première vérité. Là, je voulais devenir une pirate. J'adore les sciences. J'adore les sciences.
I love science. Seriously, I think Neil deGrasse Tyson is the shit.
Huh.
On va dire une autre deuxième vérité et après on va mentir. Je voulais donner une pirate.
I used to want to be a pirate when I grow up. I kinda still do.
Arr.
Et on va dire, je me suis cassé la main en frappant quelqu'un. Pour le mensonge.
I once broke my hand punching Stephanie Kowalski in 5th grade.
No way.
Bitch took my yoo-hoo, knocked her the fuck out.
I see you like to write notes to yourself.
Helps me stay focused.
Also, sweet scar. You're hella mysterious, Chloe Price.
Hella? Who says that?
It's a Cali thing. Anyway, I think I have your number. Of course you wanted to be a pirate. Sail the open seas,
Buckle swash.
plunder secret treasure. So, pirate. Obviously true.
Tu veux être mon second?
Maybe you'd like to be my first mate.
Oh, are you accepting applications?
Bien évidemment.
Okay. You say you love science, but you are failing chemistry.
Ouais.
You're saying failing chemistry means I hate science?
Or that Blackwell doesn't inspire your best work.
Blackwell est un trou. Possible.
Well, sure.
It's not for everyone. I get that. Anyway, school sucks, but you love science. I'm gonna say true.
Ok.
Now, about this broken hand story. It's not that I don't think you could knock Stephanie Kowalski out. A bitch takes your yoo-hoo, she's gotta get got.
Damn straight.
But you didn't get that scar from punching someone.
No.
That scar is from a distal radius fracture.
Pardon? D'où tu nous sors un terme médical, genre. Comment?
How could you possibly know that?
I broke my wrist when I was 10.
Ah bon.
The point is, I know that the scar you've got comes with breaking your wrist when you fall. Like, from a skateboard?
Yeah.
I guess 6 years ago?
7. Well, shit. I always thought I was a good liar.
Good thing you're pretty. So, if my math is correct, you told me 2 truths and 1 lie.
What? You expected me to cheat?
Winners make their own rules, Chloe.
You are crazy good at this game.
A lifetime of studying the human condition.
Incroyable. C'est un peu flippant, mais c'est surtout impressionnant, je trouve.
Well, I'm impressed.
I bet it's hard to impress Chloe Price. I'm gonna feel good about that one. When your dad is the district attorney, I guess lying is something you're used to.
Seriously?
Son père, c'est le procureur.
I know who to call if I need
Je
to
comprends mieux.
Not that I have a right of my own. Car first, embarrassing number of moving violations second.
Hey, thanks for trusting me.
Trusting you?
You played the game. And not everyone would admit to wanting to be a pirate.
But eye patches are so cool.
Elle est cachée.
Delicious. I guess. You opened up a lot. That's all.
It's not a big deal.
Hate to break it to you, but Chloe Price is not exactly renowned throughout Arcadia Bay as a bastion of trust and empathy.
Je te fais confiance, ce n'est pas facile de faire confiance.
Trust doesn't exactly come easy to me. Maybe if you'd had my life, you'd understand.
No, I get that.
On the other hand, I got on this train with you, didn't I?
Fair point.
Wouldn't mind listening to some music.
On va partager.
Hey, wanna listen?
Voilà, vous êtes tous les deux ensemble, autant partager. Vous passez un bon moment. Ok. Donc, moment sympathie, voilà. Bon bah écoutez, tout se passe bien en tout cas pour le moment. Tout se passe bien, tout se passe bien, tout se passe merveilleusement bien. Alors je laisse pas trop longtemps la musique. Hein. Because live.
Cool bracelet. I've had it, I guess, since I was a kid in Long Beach. It reminds me that there's more to experience out there than just Arcadia Bay. Maybe one day I'll go back to Long Beach. Or anywhere but here. Maybe sooner than later.
What brought that on?
Sometimes I feel like I've got no reason to stay. Don't be surprised, Chloe, if one day I'm just out of here.
Let me know if you need an accomplice.
Check it out! We're here!
What? Where is here?
Jump and find out!
Did you say jump?
Jump!
Ok.
Fuck it!
Bah dit sauter, je saute. Tant que c'est pas dangereux, moi ça me bat. Ah, c'est un parc. Ok. Ah, c'est génial ça. Ah, je me faisais mal à l'emploi. Ouais, elle s'amuse. Elles veulent aller en hauteur? Ah oui, il y a un truc de... Je crois que c'est une espèce de truc de longue vue là, non? C'est pas ça?
Hey, it's actually a pretty nice view.
Glad you approve. And as your reward for making it up here, I have a new game for us to play.
Another one?
I like games. Deal with it. This is one I learned in theater class. It's all about improvisation.
Jeu, théâtre et mensonge.
So far, what I've learned about you is that you're into acting, lying, and playing games.
What's your point?
That you're either full of imagination or full of shit.
Let me know when you figure out which one.
J'ai une imagination quand même.
This game involves spying on people from afar. Luckily, we've got some high-tech surveillance equipment right here. Let's fire it up.
D'accord, et on s'imagine du coup ce qu'ils sont en train de se dire ou quelque chose comme ça.
That blows.
Well, shit. That was my last quarter. You?
Quarterless.
Damn.
Hey, maybe I can MacGyver something up. I've been told I'm pretty handy.
Oh yeah? Let's see what you got.
Ok.
Rachel really wants to use this viewfinder. I'd love to get it working for her.
Ok. On a beaucoup plus de pages. Je voulais voir du coup le message de Mike. Désolé pour Andrew. C'est pas ta faute. Mon frère est toujours est pas toujours aussi con. Juste la plupart du temps, laisse tomber. Ah. Oui, t'as peut-être pas dû dire ça. Oh, on peut taguer la statue. Magnifique. Je sais pas trop ce qu'on en est dans les tags. Une hache. Il m'inspire pas trop l'autre mot. Je tiens à mon live.
Don't axe, don't fell.
Okay.
Dwight Mueller really killed it with this statue of an explorer guy. Where are all my explorer ladies at, though? Probably at home, washing laundry and spitting out kids. This Blackwall guy sure liked founding stuff that was already there. Founders keepers, I guess.
Ok. Où est-ce qu'on en est dans les tags? Ah, on n'a pas trouvé le mur de prison. Je pense que c'était ok. Une toile en mouvement, on l'a pas vue. Gamme malheureux et vieille voiture.
Yuck. Cliché much, AW and BW?
On peut s'asseoir. Une balançoire. Oh non, non, on va pas les effrayer.
I guess nature doesn't quite provide.
Est-ce qu'on peut aller vraiment loin? On peut aller vraiment loin hein, pour le coup.
I've been saying sorry all morning. I admit it was really dumb to lock the keys in the car. You've been on me for 3 hours.
There's gotta be something freeing about being able to build your home wherever you are, from whatever is around you.
Et pique-nique. On va les laisser tranquilles.
Have the decency to make it about something interesting. My hierarchy of needs goes pot, then beer, then wine. Still, wino has a classy ring to it. Whoa, that's badass.
Petit panneau.
It's official. I'm learning
À
way
tout ça de
more
la
about
tribu,
this
à
than
Saïma, le corbeau symbolise cette relation. Son grand souhait trahit, son esprit espiègle. Le corbeau est au centre de nombreuses histoires traditionnelles chez Seta et d'autres tribus. Certains disent que le corbeau a aidé la création du premier homme. Le corbeau doit inspirer le PSP, mais jamais la confiance. D'accord. Encore des initiales?
Wait, is that the same AW as before? Not afraid of commitment, I see. I've always said the Prescott family has a couple screws loose.
Un hommage à Nathan Davis, fils d'Académie.
If Max were here, she'd probably take a black and white photograph and call it Innocence Lost, or some shit.
On va s'asseoir. On va voir un petit peu ce qu'elle raconte.
Just a day in the park with Rachel Amber. You know when something kind of amazing is happening, you don't always stop to think about it right away? And then when you do think about it, you start thinking about it a lot. And the more you think about it, the crazier it seems until pretty soon you're psyching yourself out and then everything turns to shit. Yeah. Let's not do that today.
Ouais. Ça m'a l'air pas mal. Ça m'a l'air pas mal comme plan. On a déjà fouillé vers là. Madame sa patiente.
Totally gonna get you that quarter. Love the confidence. Would love a quarter even more.
Ok, elle y tient vraiment.
Damn,
Cette arme attend une limousine intérieure. Le chaman d'Oregon, connu également sous le nom de Shane Carey, sur le Shane Carey qui a fait la fierté du parc national de commission, est l'un des plus vieux chênes de la région nord-ouest Pacifique. Sa croissance incurvée en forme de chaise renvoie à la coutume amérindienne de sculpter des arbres afin de marquer les pistes ou indiquer des zones d'importance culturelle. L'arbre aurait entre 400 et 450 ans selon les estimations. Cependant, les moisissures intérieures empêchent toute analyse plus précise. Une directive présente sur la face nord du tronc indique que l'arbre a survécu à un coup de foudre direct il y a environ 200 ans. Eh ben bravo! 13 mètres diamètre, H 400-450 ans. Pour traversable du tronc, les anneaux étroits indiquent des périodes de sécheresse, de maladie ou de repousse après un incendie de forêt. Tu parles de ce chêne-là? Ah oui! Oh, il est beau le chêne! Il est magnifique! Il est magnifique! Ce chêne est absolument magnifique. On va regarder de plus près du coup la pièce. On va ouvrir.
I'm not getting in there with just my fingers. Maybe Rachel has something I can use. Looks like this one might actually be working. I'm thinking about prying open that viewfinder. Got a knife on you?
A knife?
Yeah. My mom took mine.
No. How about a nail file?
Une lime à ongles? Ouais. Bon, ça peut faire le taf.
I guess you could stab someone with a nail file. Oh, right. Sure, let's try it.
Victoria qui nous envoie un message. Corey Price, Nathan m'a raconté des trucs bien tarés sur toi. Tu te prends pour qui? Tu n'as pas besoin d'un sous-merde. Il n'a pas besoin d'une sous-merde comme toi. Attends, retourne de ta famille. Attends, retourne. Mais, laisse-moi lire. Retourne de ta famille de Cassos. Va, Rachel Lambert s'est clairement servi de toi hier soir. C'est vrai qu'elle t'adresse sa parole maintenant. Oh merde, comment je vais oublier ça? Je suis trop déçue. J'ai loupé ça, je suis trop déçue. Ça ne fait que commencer. Bon, ouais.
Damn it. It always looks so easy in the movies. I wonder if I can find something sturdier to use. Totally gonna get you that quarter.
Love the confidence. Would love a quarter even more.
Ça marche pas du coup pour aller trouver quelque chose de plus solide? Faut que je trouve autre chose. Ah, c'est pas redescendre. Je voulais juste voir si t'avais quelque chose par là. Peut-être si on parle du coup aux personnes du pique-nique là-bas. Peut-être que eux ils ont quelque chose. Excuse me.
Hey, spare some change?
Sorry, we might have some leftover food when we're done.
What? No, I'm not. What kind of food?
This place has really gone downhill.
Shh. She's right there.
I'm gonna need a bigger prior majigger.
Un meilleur truc peut-être au niveau des écureuils, mais ça veut dire qu'il va falloir les effrayer. Dévisser. Oh, on peut dévisser ça. Enfin, dévisser la plaque plutôt que d'effrayer les écureuils.
Stealing a dedication plate takes persistence.
Oh, mais décidément. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a? Salut, alerte. Well, c'est l'humeur massacrante. Oh non. C'est pas une blague. J'essaie juste de t'aider. Ah, on doit se serrer les coudes entre répliquants. Aïe. C'est vrai qu'à la base, on devait aller le voir.
Prescott power activate.
Game over.
Win. That was enough of a game for me. Your MacGyver skills are second to none. Except, probably, MacGyver.
Alors pourquoi elle venait absolument ici regarder un chemin?
Rachel smells like jasmine. Is she smelling me right now too? Really should have showered this morning.
Alright, here's the game. You find some people for us to spy on, and then you and I will act out what they're saying and thinking.
That's it? I do that in my head during, like, every class.
See? You're a natural. Let's give it a try.
Allez. Alors, on a le barbecue. Ah, là, il y a une femme.
Sweet beanie. What do you suppose she's thinking?
Regardez les photos à la nature alors qu'elle est dans la nature.
Sure, the view's great, but I prefer to look at pictures of nature on a computer.
Ugh, the grass around here is so not green enough.
I cannot wait for the machines to take over.
Pas mal. Pas mal, pas mal. Ah, on a un marcheur juste ici.
Loving this guy. What's he thinking right now?
Pas les abeilles.
I hope bees don't mistake my shorts for begonia. I've been pollinated twice this week already.
Ok, pas mal, pas mal. On a deux personnes à côté.
What's going on with these two?
L'offrande du fils à la chasse. L'offrande du fils.
And the Lord saideth, Thou shalt make a burnt offering of your firstborn son.
Who are you talking to, Dad?
No one, son. Now, lean into the grill and see if the fire started. Further. Further.
Wow, that was dark. Too dark?
Perfect dark.
On n'a pas eu d'accord. Les sous-titres là-dessus, mais...
This is fun. Who's next?
Ah, je crois que c'est la fin. C'est
Oh,
cinématique.
Sorry. Didn't mean to hog the viewfinder. Nailed it. Damn, they are really going at it.
Des prostituées à l'équilibre. On va dire à l'équilibre.
Oh, honey, I think we used the vibrating bed for too long. I'm totally seeing double. Rachel?
Oula.
Hey, are you alright?
What are we doing?
Excuse me?
Last I checked, you're supposed to be Chloe Price. Yet we've been ditching now for hours, and we haven't even gotten wasted yet. That's got to be against some school ditching rule.
J'ai la gueule de boîtière. J'ai la gueule de boîtière.
No. I might still be hungover from last night.
Wrong answer. You don't ask a girl out and then not buy her a drink.
Bah, si tu veux. Elle a pété un plomb.
They have a bottle of wine. Let's steal it.
Okay. Or we could go try to find a liquor store instead.
No. You shouldn't bring alcohol to a public park if you're not willing to share it with everybody, right? And fuck it. I just want to take something that's not mine. All right. I'm going in. Try to keep up.
C'est parti, hein.
Can we help you? Oh my god.
Ok.
Holy shit. Talk about committing to a performance.
Bah, on va la prendre du coup.
Oh, thank God. Please, this girl is in trouble. Go get help.
Bah, aider Rachel du coup.
I need to get these two to focus on Rachel so I can swipe the wine.
What are you waiting for? Go!
Pas longtemps à attendre.
I already called 911. They should have an ambulance here any moment. In the meantime, they said to keep close watch on her. Like, turn all the way around and really focus.
Watch out. I'm going to check her pulse. That's on her neck, right?
I still think you should go get help. There's a ranger station on the other side of the park.
Good point. We'll keep watch while you go.
Traitement médical, observer les signes de rage. Observer. Non.
Hold on. There's something off about this. Are you girls putting us
Je suis mauvaise. J'ai mal lu.
Rachel, run!
What the hell?
Madame, calmez-vous.
So, maybe your acting could use a little work, but at least you committed to the performance.
Fais passer. Non, merci. Vas-y.
Thanks.
Après, on n'est pas actrice, hein. C'est bon.
I could use a drink after trying to keep up with you.
I am excessively sober right now.
Right. Okay. Guess we're leaving now.
Ok. Bon. C'est ok. Ok. Petite cinématique. Petit oiseau.
Whoa. Hey, check this out.
Donc une photo à prendre. Non, c'est des tags dans ce jeu. Oh, la décharge! Au moment où elle découvre la décharge, du coup.
Great. It's a pile of trash.
Yeah, an awesome pile of trash.
Let's explore. You have fun, Chloe. I'm gonna go sit down.
Rachel's been acting kind of standoffish ever since we left the park. What's her deal?
Non, on va la laisser tranquille.
I'd really like some space right now.
Okay. Actually, no. I thought we were having a great day together. Why are you acting like this all of a sudden?
I'm not acting like anything. I just want to be left alone right now.
Oh, je comprends.
Yeah, I get it. I know I'm not the easiest person to be around. I don't exactly have tons of experience with the whole friendship thing.
Not everything revolves around you, Chloe.
I didn't say it did. I'm just saying I understand.
No, you really don't. Fuck!
Okay, I still have no idea what's going on with Rachel, but apparently she gets smashy when she's angry. I can work with that.
Score.
Il y a ces trucs. Il y a des voitures pétées de partout, il n'y a pas de pâté. Se donner au spectacle ou donner la batte à Rachel. Bah, t'as l'air besoin de te défouler, donc vas-y Rachel.
Here, if you really want to smash something, this should do the trick.
I asked you to leave me alone. Are you kidding me?
I know you're the school princess and all, with the DA daddy and the perfect grades and all the perfect little Victoria chases kissing your perfect ass, but seriously?
Fuck you. Great. I'm leaving. See you around, Chloe.
You can't leave!
Watch me.
Rachel, wait! Don't go!
Why not?
Because I don't want to ruin this the way I ruin everything else in my life.
And what is this exactly?
Plus qu'une amitié, une amitié. Peut-être dire plus qu'une amitié, ça serait peut-être un peu trop. Mais je pense une amitié. Alors, pas casser une amitié, quoi.
A real friendship.
Oh. Is that all?
I mean, I don't know. Yet. But I want to find out.
I thought Chloe Price doesn't need friends.
I thought so too. Before today. I guess it's easier to be alone if you decide it's a choice. I'm sorry for whatever I did or didn't do. Today was the best day I've had since my dad died.
And I screwed it up somehow. Like I screw everything up, because I'm a fucking screw up. Chloe, please.
I don't want to be alone anymore.
I'm sorry, Chloe. I can't say why, and I know it isn't fair. But I can't be your friend right now.
Can't or don't want to.
Does it matter? I'm really sorry. Goodbye, Chloe.
Ah, de se sentir tellement mal. Bah, je crois que c'est maintenant elle qui a besoin de péter des trucs. Et bah, éclate-toi.
This place.
Je hais cet endroit. Ah, ok. Ok, donc on va tout casser.
Fake and hollow. Who else do I know who fits that description? Fuck off, Rachel. I've never understood your hard-on for cameras, Max. You took a million pictures of us, and not one of them showed that you were gonna leave when I needed you most. Fuck cameras. If you want to rip a family apart from the inside, it's important to bring the proper tools. Fuck you, David.
Mhm.
Dad.
Ouch. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Elle doit tellement être mal. Bon.
Why are you crying, sweetheart?
Okay.
Because you're not real.
I'm not.
What is going on?
C'est ce que je suis en train de penser.
What's past is prologue and shit.
Kiddo, look on the bright side, would ya?
What bright side?
You made a new friend today.
Ouais.
I guess I did that.
Gotta say, that was some fight. She nearly took your head off.
What do you care?
Sorry, sweetheart. I guess I'm getting into your personal business.
I don't feel drunk.
Sometimes people need you, though. Even when they don't admit it.
C'est étrange.
Rachel.
T'es réveillé toujours par du coup l'accident. Un corbeau. Ah, bah.
You came. I'm glad.
Tu es sûr ou moi aussi?
Hey. I couldn't let the day end with whatever this afternoon was.
Chloe, I want to talk to you about something, but I don't know how to talk about this.
Bah, ne dis rien.
You remember that guy that we saw under this tree with that woman?
The ones who were making out?
That was my dad.
Oh. All right.
And that woman was definitely not my mom.
Oh.
The worst part is, I'm not surprised. I felt like my dad's been lying about something for a while. I didn't know what it was. So when I saw he got a text from an unknown number asking him to meet, I thought I could catch him or something. Chloe, I love my dad. I love him. And I never want to see his fucking face again.
When my dad died, I was so mad at him. For months, I felt wrong because half the time I thought of him, I wanted to scream. And the other half, I forgot.
Forgot that anything had changed. It's silly, but I've carried this photo around with me for years. It's from Mount Hood. My dad took me hiking there when I was 10, and it started raining, and I fell and broke my arm 3 miles from the car. I remember screaming like I was gonna die, but my dad, he carried me down the mountain. I still remember the smell of his coat, and how calm he was, and the sound of his voice, and
Réconforté? Non, ok.
he was just so strong, you know? I felt safe.
Tu avais confiance en lui.
You trusted him.
Completely.
Here.
Chloe, I owe you an apology.
Je t'en dois aussi.
Hey, we were both kind of the queen of shitty.
No, I mean it. Whatever's going on between us, it's intense and new and awesome, and maybe you just see it as a friendship. I don't know. But I put you on the spot, and I could have handled that better. I'm sorry.
Rachel, after the day you've had, it's okay. I mean it. We have all the time in the world to figure out whatever this is.
I just want you to know I'm lucky that you were with me today. You're a badass, Chloe Price.
What?
Remember that biker asshole who wouldn't let you into the mill? You talked your way right past him.
You saw that?
And those skeevy douchebags who followed you upstairs? 2 against 1. But you wouldn't take any shit from them.
I'd be dead if you hadn't thrown that bottle.
You inspired me. What about Drew?
Oh, parfait.
When he was picking on Nathan, you got right in his
Ah, on a bien
face
fait d'intervenir.
and called him out.
That was
Si, j'ai beaucoup hésité, mais ça c'est pas.
See? You're the real thing, Chloe. I don't know anyone like you. Plus, you came along with me, no questions asked.
Well, I don't really need a good reason to ditch school.
I guess tomorrow there'll be hell to pay.
My mom might skip grounding and just go straight to the death penalty.
And my dad will definitely punish me with
Qu'est-ce que je vais faire?
Fuck your dad. Fuck him. What I wouldn't give to leave this place and never look back.
What's stopping us?
Us? Are you serious?
There's nothing keeping me here. Not anymore.
So, if I came to you tomorrow and told you to pack your bags...
I'm serious. Let's do it, Chloe. Let's leave this place forever.
Okay.
Can I borrow your lighter? Thank you.
Elle va brûler la photo.
Come on.
Attends. Pétage de cap, pétage de calancourt. Ok. Oh la vache. Forcément un incendie. C'est impressionnant. Oh la vache. Alors... Ah, c'est beau dans les yeux comme ça. Attendez. Elle a vu? Madame a vu? Ah, oui. Ouais, c'est pas grave. Ah, mais du coup, on n'a pas les pourcentages. Voilà. Et du coup, vous êtes parti. Vous avez été méchante avec Joyce. Vous avez été gentil avec Joyce. Vous avez défendu un temps. Vous n'avez pas mêlé au combat. Vous avez dit à Rachel que vous étiez plus que des amis. Vous avez dit à Rachel que vous étiez... Ok. Ok. Ok, ok. Alors, on va pas aller à suivant. Que du coup, là, je remarque, ça fait plus de 3 heures qu'on est en live, les gens. J'ai largement dépassé le temps pour aujourd'hui. Ça fait quasiment 3h30 qu'on est en live. Donc, j'ai dépassé d'une demi-heure. Et on a terminé, du coup, le premier chapitre. Et du coup, si je fais quitter... Du coup, soit démarrer l'épisode, soit menu de l'épisode. Prochain épisode commencera dans 6 et 5, blablabla. Et du coup, non. Voilà. On va pas du coup commencer l'épisode. On commencera du coup l'épisode 2 la prochaine fois. On a fait un épisode en live, voilà, c'est parfait. Et bah écoutez, en tout cas en ce qui concerne la rediffusion, je vous remercie du coup de l'avoir regardé. Puis écoutez, au revoir en tout cas à la rediffusion. Et puis en ce qui concerne le live, je vais passer...